Start recording. Lecture is recorded. So we just do questions by questions, okay? That is our plan. So just adjust my computer. Looks like I cannot see it here. Okay, let's do this question. Maybe you cannot see the question clearly. I will read out and slowly, okay? What is the nominal annual rate of interest compounded quarterly if deposits of 205 made each month for 4.5 years accumulate to 11,700? So that is the question. I need to adjust my screen so that you can see. So I repeat the question. What is the nominal annual rate of interest compounded quarterly if deposits 205 made each month for 4.5 years accumulate to 11,700? So the question asks, what is the nominal rate? What is IY? When you have interest rate questions, you always use calculator. There is no formula. And interest is compounded quarterly. CY equal to 4. Compounded quarterly, always CY equal to 4. You may deposit every month. Every month you may deposit. A year you make 12 deposits. By definition, PY represents in a year how many deposits you made. PY equal to 12. For 4.5 years, term N equal to 4.5 times 12. 4.5 times 12. Okay. So I have to use, oops. Just want to show my calculator. So I want to calculate 4.5 times 12. It is 54. Okay. Okay, so we analyze the questions. Now we go to the calculator. Second equate. Second PY. PY equal to 12. Enter. Unallocate CY. CY equal to 4. Enter. Second equate. And now enter 205 negative PMT. 54 term N 11,700 FV. 0 is PV as precaution to clear any previous entries. So far, you entered 4 numbers. Last step, compute IY, and you get 2.4906. You need to read instructions. The instruction says round 2 decimal places, so the answer should be 2.49. Okay. Any questions? So this is the interest rate. Okay. Next, let's do a question for the term N. How long it will take to save 12,500 by making deposit $105 at the end of every month into an account earning interest at 6.7 compounded annually? Okay. Let me check the message box. Go up for 1 second. Sure. Do the previous questions. Yeah, this is the question we did. Thank you for your question. If you write down, want to write down some notes, this is the time. Take some notes. Good habit. Okay, can I move on? Right. So go back to this question here. State your answer in years and months. So this question asks you to calculate term N. Okay. So let's analyze this question. You make deposit at the end of every month. So PY equal to 12. Interest compounded annually. So CY equal to 1. You made 105 payment. PMT equal to 105. Accumulated to, this is future value, 12,500. Okay, how long will it take? Means what is term N? What is term N? That is the question. All right, so calculator. Where's my calculator? Second, quit. Maybe I want to adjust my screen so that you can see the question. And then second, PY, 12, enter. Unallocate. CY is 1, enter. Second, quit. And now 12,500, that is F rate. 105 negative PMT. 6.7, 6.7, that is IY. And 0 is a P rate. Oh, I entered wrong. 0 is a P rate. Why give me CFO? Oh, I messed up something, so I'm going to start all over again. Double click PY is 12, CY is 1, and then I'm redoing it because I punched the wrong number. So 12,500 F rate 105 negative PMT 6.7 IY 0 PV. Finally, compute, and you get 92.1134. But the question asks you, so the answer is 92.1134 years. So you have to state your answer in years and months. So this is the number we get from calculator. How do you translate this to years? The year is easy. It is 92 years. Okay. The problem is with the decimal. Okay, you take the decimal. Okay, you take the decimal. You need to convert the months. Okay, so use this decimal part times 12. This decimal 0.1134 multiplied by, this is years. This is years. You have to divide by 12. Hold on. So let me restate this. So this number 92.1134, it is years. Okay. So this years exactly equal to how many years, how many months? Oh no, this is months, sorry. That's why I confused. The unit for this one is months. It will take 92.113 months. So the question becomes, why it is months? Because you make payment every month. Okay? So you need to make 92.1134 payments. So the question becomes, 92.113 equal to how many years, how many months? That is the question. Okay? To get the year, you need to use this number divided by 12. This whole number. Divide by 12 to get 7.6761. This one is in years. So step 1, use 92.1134 divide 12 to get 7.67612. This is years. Means it will take 7 years. 7 years. And how many months? You have to use these decimal places here. 0.67612, this decimal part, multiply 12, you get 8.113 months. Remember, in calculating the months, we always round up regardless. 8.1 months is 9 months, not 8 months. 8.11 months. Round up, always round up, becomes 9 months. But the final answer, 7 years, 9 months. Okay. So that is term N. Any questions? Now, let's do another question. And found the present value. Found the present value of the following ordinary annuity. Periodic payment, PMT, 2,500. Payment interval, 1 month. Term, 9 years. Interest, 11%. Conversion period, annually. The question asks you, what is present value? What is the PV? That is the question. So let's analyze this question. Periodic payment, this is PMT. Payment interval means every month you make payment. 1 year you make 12 payment. PY equal to 12. PY represent how many payment you made in 1 year. Term, 9 years. So 9 times 12 is a term. $108. Interest easy, 11%. Conversion period annually. Interest is compounded annually. So CY equal to 1. Okay, and the question asks you for PV. Calculator. Second grade. Second PY. PY equal to 12, that's fine. Unallocated CY equal to 1, that's fine. Second grade. Oops, that is wrong. Second PY. I'm going to start. Okay, I just set up PY equal to 12, CY equal to 1. Now I enter 25,000. That is negative PMT. $108 and 11 IY and 11 YI and 0 FV. Don't forget this. 0 F wave. Finally, compute P wave. So you get $174,328.43. So this is how do you find present value for ordinary general annuity. Any questions? Right. So this one. Now let's do this one. Question 6. What payment made at the end of each month for 7 years will accumulate to 14,500 at 4% compounded semi-annually? What payment means what is PMT? End of each month means PY equal to 12. For 7 years, y equal to 7 times 12. Equal to 84. Accumulate is F 14,500 and 4 is IY 4%. So calculator. Second equate second PY is 12, that's fine. CY here compounded semi-annually means CY equal to 2. Semi-annually CY equal to 2. PY is 12. I'm typing. You have to press. Wait. Now, 84 is term N. Is interest IY. $14,500 is FV. Don't forget 0 is PV. Last step, compute PMT. And you get $150. Okay? So that is the calculation for PMT, section 3, chapter 12. So pretty much we did most questions in chapter 12. Remember, chapter 12 is about ordinary general annuities. Okay? You make sure you know how to calculate FV, PV, PMT, term N, and interest I. Okay? So that is chapter 12, ordinary general annuities. I will stop recording.